So today I wanted to do a quick video on how to remove and install a front headlight. So in order to do this we need two tools effectively. We need a T30 into this head, and you need a long socket extension driver like this one. Okay, into there. And what we have is we have two screws. We have one here, sits down here, and we have one here, sits on top. And we also have a third mount at the back here, and I'll show you this when the headlight comes off. I'll show you the mount so you can see what we're doing. Relatively straightforward. First off, we take off this screw here, keep it to one side. Second, we take off this screw here. Hence why we need the longer extension here to get into it. This is a long one. There we go. And we can lift that one out. It's quite a long one. Pop it to one side. Now I've already disconnected at the back here the headlight plug, which can be done, so you can pull it out and do it, or you can do it from behind there first. I've already taken some stuff out of here, so it's already a bit easier for me to get into that section and do it. But if you hadn't, the light would come out, and then you've got the headlight connector sitting on the back here. I'll now take this off and show you. Got the connector in here, and you can see it's got a little tab on the side there. You need to flick out that tab and pull it backwards, and that lets you get the headlight assembly out. Now I want you to pay close attention to this little tab here. This little bit is the bit that I personally always forget when I'm putting the headlights back together again, but it's super important. The headlight is located with this and this. However, in the back there is also this, which must slot into a component at the back there, which I will now show you. If you do not slot it into the component at the back, then the headlight will not line up properly. It will still sit in, and that's why many people get this wrong, but it won't be in properly. And you can see here, this is it here. It goes into that little groove there, and you've got to make sure it goes into it. Not into this bit, into this bit. You can see there's one there, they slot into there. That one I always find is the one easiest to line up. Slot into there, and that locates them directly into that corner. Do not do this correctly, it will not be seated correctly. So here we can see slot here, slot here. This is the two mounting points and the gap that we've got, and we should find in here, this is the headlight connector. And you have to release this little tab here. Let's get it in the light. Release this little tab here, which sits on the side, which will then let it pull off. But it only pulls so far because it's still connected underneath to the fog lights. So that's how we take it back off. Let's see how we put this back on again. So we can pop the headlight back in gently. That's it. And we'll go around here and look at these mounting points. And if I pull the headlight back forward again, try and get enough hands to be able to do this. Pull the headlight back forward again. Hopefully we can see that there is the mounting point, and there's the hole that it goes into. That goes up and into there like that. And when it's in, pushed back, we can now come back up to the top, back up to here, where we're now mounted correctly there and mounted correctly here. So if we lightly pop in this little screw here, that takes that one in there a little bit. There we go, that's us perfect. We can go down through there and two finger tight in. Perfect. Then we can come back to here. So now we can see those mounting points are in place, and we have these two screws in finger tight, and then as with any screw you're putting in, screw it in most of the way, screw this one most of the way, double check the alignment, everything's secure, then nip it up one last little bit to make sure it's super tight. That's it, and that is the headlight out and back in again.